morning everyone. Hope you guys are all well, starting your day with an amazing mood. Or if you're watching this after the end of your day, then I hope you're already planning for the next day. So first of all, I wanted to thank you all so much for all your support, all your comments. They are helping a lot. I am reading every single one of the comments. Please keep them coming. Secondly, I am starting today in one of the most beautiful places in London, and that's of course Regent's Park. It's a beautiful way to just start by a morning walk, lots of oxygen, and yeah, getting on with our day. So follow me. Alright guys, look what I found. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come, come, come. Ah. Come on. I guess it doesn't want to be disturbed. Alright guys, just finished with our morning walk. We are now walking towards the car. There's a place called Tower of London. It's quite a historical place. That is by the Thames River. So it's got great views actually. So follow us. Before I go, I wanted to show you these houses around Regent's Park. They're very nice. They're just like unbelievably next level. Check these out. By the way, for those of you who didn't realize, this side is Regent's Park and this side is private houses. Alright guys, guess where we are? I am actually on London Tower, Tower of London. Guess what I found? So this is where we are. This one. That was the gherkin. That one. This is the Tower of London. It is just there behind the trees. River Thames. There we go. That actually had a name, City Hall. So that was a more in-depth tour, I guess. So I just came down the stairs. I mean, a bit earlier I was up there. So I just came all the way down those stairs. And if you remember, well, these trees were blocking the view. So this is the castle, Tower of London. It's got a lot of history to it. If you want to see the same view, couple of facts about this place. One interesting one, one boring one I give you. Boring one is they executed a lot of people. I mean, it's not a boring fact, but it's not a very nice one. But the interesting fact is there are a few birds being kept inside, and the saying is if they run away or if they fly away, the kingdom would collapse. I don't know how they came up with that one, but yeah, that's one of the facts about this place. Just walk into the restaurant. So hungry, but I'm actually on the other side of the castle. So I walked the other side and came to here. Never thought there would be this many tourists around. Found the food. Let's go have some Japanese food. Alright guys, the starters are here. Food finally got here. Starving. Obviously I'm going to try these ones as well, but first I'm going to demolish my one. So I'll see you after food. Just finished eating and just about to order some desserts, but have a look. I think the universe loves us today. We have all the desserts here, all the prices, everything there. And the one that I really wanted to order was actually green tea, which is, isn't this nice? So let's get us some green tea. Obviously we get the free tea for everyone, and then we have to go for the jasmine tea. Alright, so just finished with eating, going towards the car, then going to the cinema actually, going to watch Guardians of the Galaxy, waiting to cross the road. Don't know how that's going to turn out, to be honest, but yeah, let's see. See you after the movie. Alright guys, it's currently midnight. Shopping center is closed actually. Movie just finished. Not going to lie, it was very long, and not too bad. I mean, I would give it, say, 4.5 out of 10. Yeah. So if you want to go watch it, I don't know, it's up to you. Probably because this one was the second one. Probably because I hadn't watched the first one, I didn't quite like the second one, which was this one. So yeah, we're going home now, going to wrap up the vlog. So you guys have a good evening, take care of yourselves until tomorrow, take care, bye.